Hello, my Pixel peeps. Nicole Payne, CMA, here as always to drop some accounting truth bombs. And today we are at the beginnings of spring. Believe it or not, it's the first part of March, and March in the South, generally speaking, means spring. We're starting to see warmer temperatures. We're starting to see more liveliness in our foliage and our flowers and all of that shrubbery and all good things in nature. Um, and if you're anything like me, spring means cleaning, spring cleaning to be exact. In the last few weeks, I have cleaned out and reorganized our family's pantry. I've cleaned out and reorganized our refrigerator and deep freezer. We've straightened up our garage and got it all ready for our fun summer activities that we've got coming up. And in all of this cleaning and reorganizing and putting away and giving away and throwing away, it got me thinking about spring cleaning finances. And you might think, what does spring cleaning have to do with our finances? But hear me out. The other thing that I've been doing a lot of lately in preparation for taxes for all of our business clients is I've been doing deep dives into their books to see what is in there, what they're spending their money on, making sure that we're still categorizing everything correctly and capturing all of the correct expenses in the correct places. And I've come across with several clients where they have charges coming through on a regular basis that they've forgotten about. They're spending money on things that they didn't remember spending money on. In a lot of cases, it's like, hey, what is this charge and what does it do for you? What benefit are you getting from this company? And in several cases, they're like, oh, I signed up for that like years ago and I didn't realize I was still paying for it. So here's your PSA for the year, for spring. Do a deep dive into what you're paying for. Go back and see if you have recurring subscription charges for things that you're not working or using, things that aren't working for you. In one client's case, they were able to find monthly charges here and quarterly charges there, a couple annual subscriptions, and they canceled them all and have been able to save thousands upon thousands of dollars in that way, because they're things that they weren't thinking about, that they just auto charge. And because they're, as a business owner, you get busy, you forget about all of those auto charges that are coming out. Another thing that you can do to spring clean your finances, see if there are other vendors who are doing things that you are actually using. See if there's a less expensive alternative that will get you as high a quality of product or service, but at a lower cost. That's another way that you can spring clean and save thousands of dollars over the course of a year or 5 years or 10 years. You never know. So I encourage you all to take a look, pull out your bank statements, pull out those credit card statements, or if you have QuickBooks, drill into your profit and loss statement line item by line item and see if there's money that you could be putting back in your pocket. And if you find some of those things, let me know in the comments how long it's been that you've been paying for something that you didn't remember paying for. Or say, hey, by spring cleaning, I'm able to save X number of dollars over the next year. I'd love to hear what you're able to find. And until next time, take care, and we'll see you soon.